Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, lesson number 3, or new lesson, reproduction in animals. Okay. Have you seen the young ones of the other animals? Yes, I think you have seen. We will write the name of the animals, name of the animal and their young ones. Young ones is nothing but babies, right? Name of the young ones. Suppose I am taking name of the animal hen. Okay, bird. Animal hen is a bird, right? What is a young one? Chick. Animal we can take. Tell me some more names. Dog. Good. Dog. Animal. Dog's baby. What do you call that baby? Young one is nothing but baby. Okay. Before I'll explain you the reproduction in animals term in clear format. But before that, see this carefully. Okay. Name of the animal hen. I am taking. Name of the young one chick. Dog is puppy, right? What is the name of animal? Suppose I am taking. Tell me some names. Cat. Cat baby is kitten. Cow baby is calf. Right. Duck baby is duckling. Sheep baby is lamb. Right. So we are having so many animals. In our surrounding, we will see so many animals are there, right? Hen, dog, cat, cow, sheep, we will see. And the young ones also. Hen baby is chick. Dog baby is puppy. Puppy is a baby of a dog. Cat baby is kitten. Cow baby is calf. Duck baby is duckling. Sheep baby is lamb. Right. Now we will study what is the meaning of reproduction. See, chick is the young one of hen. Puppy is the young one. See, young one is nothing but their babies. Okay. Young one is nothing but baby. Chick is the young one of a hen. Puppy is the young one of a dog. Puppy is the baby of a dog. Kitten is the young one of a cat. Okay. All animals need to reproduce more of their own kind. They will need to reproduce, right? Many animals reproduce. Their cow, hen will reproduce chicks, cow will produce calf, cat will produce kitten, right? So all animals need to produce more of their own kind. They need to do so to survive for a long time on the earth. Here, what is our first point? All animals need to produce. They have to produce. If they are not producing their young ones, how their life will be survive on the earth? It's not possible, right? Need to produce. All animals need to produce more of their own kind. They need to do so to survive for a long time on the earth. Why they need to do this? To survive. To survive for long time on the earth. Right? The animals do not produce. Animals of their own kind die out. See, some animals produce more of their own kind. They'll produce their own kind. So, why they will produce their own kind? To survive for a long time on the earth. Some animals will not produce their own kind. The animals which will not produce their own kind, they will die. Such animals are said to have become extinct. Okay. An animal or plant an animal or plant which does not exist anymore. They become extinct. See, I told you animals produce their own kind in order to survive on the earth, okay, for a long time. Same, if some animals are not producing their own kind, they will die. जो animals अपने babies को नहीं दे सका, produce नहीं कर सका, they will die. Definitely they will die, right? So they become extinct. They become extinct. An animal or plant, we can say, which does not exist anymore. Here we are talking about animals, reproduction in animals, right? So an animal which does not exist anymore, उसकी लाइफ वही खत्म हो जाती. जो एनिमल रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकता यंग वंस, उसकी लाइफ वही खत्म हो जाती. they can't produce, they will not produce their own kind, so they die. So they die, they become extinct. Okay, the animal which does not exist anymore, such animals are said to have become extinct. The process by which animal, now comes to our definition, reproduction in animals. See, reproduction in animals. The process by which animals, here we are talking about animals, right? If I'll talk about reproduction, human being, the process by which living things, about living things, what I will write, suppose I am talking about living things, the process by which a living thing produces more of its own kind is called reproduction. By which animals produces more of their own kind. Reproduction, the process by which animals produces young ones of their own kind. More of their, we can say, young ones. Young ones of their own kind is known as reproduction. Remember, this is an important definition. The process by which animals produces young ones of their own kind is known as reproduction. The process by which animals produce young ones of their own kind is known as reproduction. Okay. Understood? What is the meaning of reproduction in animals? The animals by which they produce their own young ones. Okay, they produce their own young ones. I already told you in starting of this video that hen produce their chicks, cat produce their kittens, dog produce their puppy. Puppy is a young one of a dog, right? Same, the process by which animals produce young ones. They produce the young ones, like hen produces chicken. Their own kind. They'll not, like hen will not produce kitten. Right? Hen will give baby to kitten. Baby has kitten. No. Hen produces chick. Okay. Hen produces young one as a chick. Young one of a hen is chick. Young one of a dog is puppy. Young one of a cat is kitten. The process by which animals produce young ones of their own kind. Their own kind means same type, is known as reproduction. Okay. We'll see one more thing here, ways of reproduction in animals. There are different ways of reproduction. Ways of reproduction in animals. There are two different ways of reproduction. Okay. One is oviparous. Viviparous. Oviparous and viviparous. This is a little bit different names. We will see in detail. Animals that reproduce by laying eggs are called oviparous. Animals that reproduce by laying eggs are called oviparous. Can you give me names? The animals that reproduce by laying eggs? Kingfisher, turtles, right? Animals that reproduce by laying eggs, they'll give eggs. Okay, so that animals are known as oviparous. Example, kingfisher, turtle. Next one, animals that reproduce by giving birth to young ones. We'll write with different chalk. Animals that reproduce by giving birth to young ones. By giving birth to young ones. Example, tell me. Just now in starting of the video I explained cow, hen, right? Cat, dog, etc. Okay. Understood? We will read what is there in the reader. In the picture given on the previous page, you would have described about the hen laying eggs. We already learned about hen laying. Hen will lay eggs, right? The chick comes out of the egg, but the dog gives birth to its young ones. Okay. Here hen also we will write. What is there? Hen give birth to young one. No, hen give birth as egg. Okay. Hen, we can say hen lay eggs. Hen lay eggs. From that egg, chick will come out, right? Cow lay eggs? No. Cow will give birth to young one. Animals reproduce in two different ways, by laying eggs, by giving birth to young ones. So this one is by laying eggs. This one is by giving birth. By giving birth to young one, birth to young ones. Understood? By laying eggs, ways of reproduction are classified into two types. By laying eggs, by giving birth to young ones. Like kingfisher, hen, turtle, they'll lay eggs. Then from the eggs, chicks will come out. Animals that reproduce by laying eggs are known as oviparous animals. Okay. Animals that give birth to young ones are known as viviparous animals. Based on how animals reproduce, they are classified as oviparous and viviparous animals. In detail about egg-laying animals, that is oviparous and viviparous, in detail we are going to study in our next class, inshallah. Let's recall. Our chapter name is Reproduction in Animals, right? All animals need to produce more of their own kind. All animals need to produce more of their own kind. It's mandatory, it's compulsory. If they are not producing their own kind, they will die. They will become extinct. Extinct means an animal which does not exist anymore to survive. Why they need to produce their own kind? Why they need reproduction? Animals to survive for long time on the earth. To survive for long time on the earth. What is the meaning of extinct? If animals are not producing their own kind, they will die. That means they become extinct. And animals which does not exist anymore. Okay, what is the meaning of reproduction? The process by which animals produce young ones of their own kind is known as reproduction. There are two ways of reproduction, oviparous and viviparous. Okay, by oviparous is by laying eggs. Viviparous is by giving birth to young ones. Oviparous definition is animals that, if I'll give you a question, define oviparous means animals that reproduce by laying eggs are known as oviparous. Animals that reproduce by giving birth to young ones are known as viviparous. Example, kingfisher, turtle, hen. Here example of viviparous is animals that reproduce by giving birth to young ones, cow, cat, dog, etc. Okay, I hope you all understood this one. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.